Alright, now it's filming. I can hear it running somewhere. Can't you?
Right in front of you.
Yeah.
Pouring right over the top of it.
Here we go. Yeah, that's for sure.
It's a good thing you called me, Dave.
Yeah.
You'd be here all day sucking that out with a hose.
Yeah.
Well, no, I'm just as glad. I mean, this pool has been, I mean, I want the pool, but I'm just as glad it happened like this.
Yeah. Now it's just a matter of
And I don't,
getting rid of it. Oh, it's going out to Lake Murphy.
You know what? You can blame the storm on this last night. You did have some bad wind. You got a lake in that?
yeah.
Sorry, Dave.
She said thank you. Oh no, she's just as glad.
Shouldn't have done that. No, not the board. It shouldn't have come across like that. It's got. Oh, come to laugh, you mockingbird! It's a mockingbird.
Yeah.
Right here on the fence post. See it? And he's mocking us.
That's what should be.
Otherwise known as the catbird. Yeah, that's right. I know all about you, bald-headed eagle fighty.
I wonder how many hits we can get on YouTube with that.
Well, we won't get many because nobody was in it, nobody got rushed away with the...
Yeah, nobody got hurt. Now what am I going to do with that plywood I bought?
I'm certainly not going to help you.
Hey, when you say open the pool, we're not kidding.
Well, this is kind of a shock to me, so don't need that any chlorine. Sorry. Shock.
What's that?
It's shock.
Yeah.
Shocking.
Oh yeah. Yep,
So
it
the
is
line
shock.
split too, I think.
Yep. Oh, that's the brand new line. Yeah, yeah. The one they put in last year. Yeah. I should call them and complain.
That was last year, the year before.
Yeah. Well, John, now I can see why it didn't come out. Doesn't matter. Well, I guess that's long enough. What do you think? Is that enough film? Or